Hello, I ran to Target today to pick up some just general household stuff, and of course I had to browse the toy aisle, and I saw that Disney has joined the Squishy bandwagon, and they have partnered with the brand Squish Dee Lish and made Tsum Tsum Squishies. So this is series 1, and there are 8 in the series. I got 4 packets, so we're going to open 4 packets. These are blind bag. They were $5.99 a bag. Squishies are expensive. So if you're used to like the mystery Tsum Tsum, the little ones, they're only $2.99 a bag. So these are $5.99 a bag. I really want the peas in the pod. There are 8 of them. Peas in the pod from Toy Story. That's what I really wanted. But sometimes on blind bags you can feel around and kind of tell what the toy is. But all these squishies kind of feel like I couldn't tell. I squished a lot of bags and couldn't really tell. So let's see what I get. I have 4 bags. So let's open this one up. I'm sorry if this is loud. I'm going to have to get my trusty scissors. It does have like a handy tear tab, but I'm not sure I don't cut the Tsum Tsum. Okay, so right off the bat we have Ariel. Very, very cute. So it's squishing. It's a good squish. It's a slow rise squish. Oh my god, it smells very factory. What is that? Is this? I think it's just a typical squishy. But I like that one. That one is very cute. So we have Ariel. Alright, like I said, I have 4 bags at $5.99 a piece. I was only going to get 4. Oh, this one tears easy. Alright, I got a different one already. This is Dell from Chip and Dell. Again, very nice squish. I like it. And they say Disney on the bottom. Of course, they're made in China, as everything from Disney is made in China, but that's okay. And then, third bag. Let's see. Oh, is this Baymax or Eve? Eve! Oh my god. Okay, I really like that one. Okay, so the only other one I really, really want is the peas in the pod. So let's see if we can get peas in the pod. This is the last one. Oh my god. I'm gonna go buy a lotto ticket. I got peas in the pod. I got the one I wanted. Yay! Yeah, see how they're all the same shape. So if you were trying to squeeze the blind bag to figure it out, you might be able to tell Ariel because of her tail, but it was hard for me to figure it out. But I'm happy. I got peas in the pod. Toy Story is one of my favorite Disney movies, so I like that one. So I got peas in the pod, Ariel, Eve. I actually like, what's the name of that movie? What is the name of the movie with the world is overcome by WALL-E? Junk. Watch that movie. That is what our world is going to be like one day. WALL-E is very good too. And then Dell from Chip and Dell. So my thoughts and feelings, these are just like typical squishies. I mean, these are higher end squishies. They're actually slow rise. I really do like them. I'm not for sure. I'm not for sure why they priced it at $5.99. Let me double check my Target receipt. Yeah, they were $5.99. It seems weird to me because the little plastic Tsum Tsums are only like $2.99, and I think they look a lot nicer than squishies. So let me know if anyone else who buys them, they're also getting charged $5.99, because I don't know if Target was charging me wrong, because I swear when I grabbed them it said $2.99, but you know, it was with all the other Tsum Tsum stuff, so it could have just been in the wrong spot, and I didn't feel like arguing with the lady. So I just took the $5.99 because I thought, I've bought other squishies and they normally are $5 to $10, so, but I'm just curious if it is $5.99, if anyone else gets them cheaper. So anyway, this is series 1. So knowing Disney and their Tsum Tsums, they are going to have a lot more series. So there is a Mike, a Chip, a Baymax, and a Pluto. So just basic characters. None of them are like, the only unique one I think was the peas in the pod. So there's really none others I want in this, so I will not be buying more until they come out with series 2. So anyway, if you like squishies and you like Disney, then you need to try out these new squishies. Thanks for watching, and if you like these type of videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. I collect toys, so I have toy review videos. I also go to a lot of arcades, and I travel a lot, so my channel is a little bit of everything. But anyway, thanks for watching.